Welcome to SkyCiv. This is going to be a quick onboarding video about the SkyCiv Connection Design module. The SkyCiv Connection Design module can be used in a standalone state or integrated with Structural 3D, where you can directly import the parent and child members as well as forces directly. Starting with the design process is simple. As soon as you open the Connection Design module, you'll see a pop-up screen that will ask all the conditions needed for your design. The category selection at this point implies the type of member connecting to the support and the type of the support itself. In the SkyCiv Connection Design software, the modules branch out depending on the type of load the connection will carry. All shear type connections are grouped together and all moment type connections belong to another set. Next, consider orientations. The design checks required in a steel connection do not just involve the beam member and the connection component, but also take into great consideration the supporting member. The type of connection to the support, type of support itself, and the part of the support on which the member connects to affect the overall capacity of the connection. Once you have chosen a connection, you'll be taken to 5 tabs. The project tab is where you provide your project information so you can keep your projects organized. The second tab is where you build your connection assembly. We start with the support member, which is usually a column. Select your section size in the drop-down selection after the section label. After that, select your material grade. The most common material grades are provided in the drop-down menu. Since I opted to load a sample connection, the values are already filled in for me, but you can go through and edit them as you wish. Next to the column tab is a beam tab, and then your connecting materials. In this tab, you'll fill out all the necessary details such as material grades, thickness, width, length, among others. Once all necessary fields are filled, for each tab, the model will automatically render the 3D figure. Under the main fixture tab, there are the other subgroups of fixtures labeled numerically. A short description of each fixture is also indicated right below the tab name. To start designing each fixture, select first which type of fixture you are going to use. There are only 2 types available, the bolted and the welded type. In some of the connections, the fixture type will be pre-selected and locked. If your desired type is currently not available, you may send a request to SkyCiv's support team. Next, add your loads in the loads table by writing inside the cells. Now you're ready to run structural analysis. Once satisfied with the results, you can now generate the detailed calculation report by clicking on the Reports button here. If you want a more in-depth guide on how to use your SkyCiv Connection Design module, read through our software documentation page on SkyCiv Connection Design. If you have any questions, send us a message on the platform. Our team is always here to help.